Well, hello to my YouTube friends. I'm back again with part two of my haul, and this one's going to be the MAC haul. Now, I've been having some tough decisions of foundations, trying to figure out what I want to use, how I want to use it, and all this other stuff. So, in my own little element, and I haven't been making videos, but I did order some MAC stuff, and the first thing that I ordered was I got the 168 um blush brush, which I thought is so gorgeous. I took back the I can't remember the name of that one. It was a stippling brush. That brush was 40 something dollars, and all it did was sit in my makeup thing, and I never touched it that much. I think I only used it like 3 times. So I kept my receipt and I took it back. But I think that I'm going to really love this because this is going to do the job with blush. And I have really been on this blush kick lately. So I'm really glad that I ordered this one. So I think I'll be happy with this. The next thing that I got is a beautiful, beautiful blush. It's been around a long time. It's called Raisin. I used to use this years ago. It's really dark, but it's good for our skin tone. I like the way it looks. It's pretty dark. I don't do any contouring and any of that, but you can see the pigmentation on that. I'm going to put it on my hand. It's like an orangey red color on my hand. So I really, really like the payoff on that. And once I put it on my cheeks, it just pops. So that's the way I look at that. You know, it just pops out. So then the other thing is that I got from MAC is that they came out with these mineralized lipsticks. And I watch my girl Crystal all the time. Crystal, if you know her channel, Crystal 007. She did a review on them, but she bought 4 of them. I only bought 1. They're pretty pricey. So, but I do like the packaging on it, and it's magnetic, so it goes like that. And I just brought 1, and that's probably the only one I'm going to buy. But anyway, I'm going to swatch it on my hand, and this one is called, which one is this one called? Lush Life. And this is the color. I love it. And what I do like about it is I put it on my lips last night, and it's very moisturizing. And I like the way it snaps. It's just this snapping thing going on with this, so I like it. Anyway, I also bought from MAC their charge water for your eyes. This is really, really nice. It was a little pricey. Well, I mean, considering the fact that, for your eyes, to get anything for your eyes is pretty expensive. So I don't too much do that too often, but I just treated myself to this, and I am really, really happy with it. Another thing is I went to Sephora and I got the new Lorac touch up pen, and I saw Crystal do a video on this, and I tried it on in the store, and what it is that it's a concealer and a foundation. You have 2 in 1. So it's pretty cool. So I tried it and it looked really nice, and I liked the coverage and everything. Everything by Lorac I like. I'm gonna get their primer next, but this is what it looks like, and you have to push the product out, and then you blend it in places. Oh, this is so cool. I like this. Like it, like it, like it. Then I bought this, I can't even pronounce it. It's a nail polish. And it's called Spackle. And it's got these spackles in it. I love my polishes. But here it is, and I can't never pronounce this. Emerald whatever. You guys pronounce it for me. But yeah, that's what it is. And it's like $16 a bottle. I bought 1. But it's got these purple seeds, specks all in it. It's beautiful. So I bought this. So yeah, so I'm going to come back on and do another video of some stuff that I've purchased. And yeah, so pretty much that's it with the MAC and the Lorac. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, bye.